Same character, same prompt, word for word, 3 different people. This is the real prompt from the Stride film that we made last episode, run raw against the image model. It just says NOOR. And to a model that's never met a NOOR isn't a person, it's just a word, NOOR. So fine, let's describe her. An athletic woman with short hair describes 10,000 women, and each generation casts a different one. And anything in the description doesn't mention, her age, her ethnicity, the shape of her face, the model re-rolls from scratch every single time. And the description is a casting call, not an actress. And this is the default state of AI video, and it comes from one hard limit. The best models today generate about 15 seconds, and 1 or 2 might reach 30 soon. A minute, 15 minutes, or a whole film, well, we're a long way off. So a film isn't one generation. It's hundreds of separate generations, and each single one is a fresh roll of the dice on what your lead looks like. The model that renders shot 40 has never seen shot 1. Nothing carries over unless you carry it over yourself. This episode is how you carry it over. First by hand with raw model calls, so you can see there's no magic in it, and then how OpenStory does the same thing automatically. The whole technique is 3 steps, and you can do it with any image model that accepts reference images. So step 1, create the character once from all angles. Full body from the front, chest up, portrait, side profile, and from the back. One generation, and this is how your person is. Let's run it. So film crews have done this forever. It's a character sheet. It's the same thing, costume and continuity departments pinned to the wall. Great, and there's that character sheet generated. So let's just download that. So step 2, every time the character appears, the sheet goes in as a reference. So this is the exact same prompt we used from the cold open, the one that casts 3 different women, but this time we're going to use the character sheet that we just generated. So notice that I've switched endpoints. So this isn't a text to image anymore. It's an edit endpoint, which takes image URLs alongside the prompt. So now the model will pull the identity from the sheet instead of inventing one. And I can run it twice or 3 times and get the same one every single time. Let's just do that. So the image is a start frame, the first frame of a shot. So step 3 is the video model. So let's just switch to video. And we'll do image to video. And let's use seed dance. And we'll just do it once because it's quite expensive. So we'll paste in our motion prompt from OpenStory, and we'll add the image. So the video model isn't creating your character. So it gets the start frame and a motion prompt, and its whole job is to add movement to an image where the identity is already settled. So image models are cheap and fast, so you can iterate on identity there, and only send a frame to the expensive model once it's right. Sheet, start frame, motion. That's the trick. Everything else is bookkeeping, and bookkeeping is exactly what a tool should do for you. And that's the manual method. Nothing about it needs OpenStory. It works in any tool that takes reference images. But that was one character in one shot. A film is a cast of characters across hundreds of shots, and nobody wants to do this by hand every single time. So next episode, OpenStory does all of this automatically, and we take reference images one step further than start frames into the video model itself. It's all open source, so if you don't want to wait, the code's at openstory.so. See you in the next one.